Hello, I'm Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk. Today I'm doing an unboxing, or an unbagging, with a difference. This is a medical test, which is part of a study called REACT, which took place this year, 2021. And I'm going to not only unbox and bag the medical test, I'm going to take the medical test, and this should tell me whether I've had COVID-19 without realising it or not. It's a test for COVID-19 antibodies, so there will be a small amount of blood later on. So if you're squeamish, I'll warn you to look away. Hopefully it'll just be a small amount, not a large amount, because that'd be a bit of a disaster. Okay, let's unbag first. What have we got? Paperwork and... okay, COVID-19 in-home antibody testing research study. There it is, with a finger prick test. Right, okay. Instructions, survey website. Okay, so we've got a booklet here with a lot of pages, very nice pictures of how to do it. And oh, that's interesting. So that's the colour charts. And anyone into kind of photography type stuff might recognise that. That's going to help them. I guess the test goes on that, and they take a picture of it, or if I take a picture of it, and they can match up the colours using these colour spots here to make sure that everything is the same colour as it really is. That doesn't make very much sense, but still. Okay, so that's going to tell me what to do. That looks fairly clear, I hope. Information sheet for participants, a whole lot of that going on there. Okay, additional information carried out by Imperial College, London. Okay, blood spot testing. Can a friend or relative participate in the study instead of me? Nope. This is all for me. That would be a bit funny, really, to get somebody else to... maybe if you're really squeamish about taking blood samples, you can get your dog to do it for you or something. Our pet cat has gone and hidden somewhere, I think. Right. Here's the all-important bit. For research purposes only, keep out of reach of children and pets. Okay. So this is the interesting bit. Oh, so what's in here? Oh, a little bag. That's it for the box. Oh, that's exciting. So we've got Fortress Diagnostics Limited. Wow. COVID-19 LGG / LGM Rapid Test Cassette WBSP. Manufactured 2020. Expiry 2022. Made in the UK. Oh yes. Okay, we've got that. We've got a little bit of cotton wool, it looks like here. Maybe that's for soaking up the blood. We've got... oh, we've even got a little plaster. Adhesive dressing to stick over the wound. I hope it's not that bad. We've got two of these little things. These are... oh, there's a little spring in there. These seem to be spring-loaded stabbing devices, basically, which I guess will prick my finger and get the blood out of me. I gather from the instructions that one's a spare one in case the first one doesn't work properly. And this here is COVID-19 diluent buffer. That's probably a scientific term. So a little bottle of liquid there with a sealed top. And a pre-injection swab, 70% isopropanol. Only 70, that's not very strong. It's like fizzy pop. Okay, what's in here? I'll just check the instructions that I'm allowed to open that yet. 9 steps to follow. Do not eat or swallow any part of the kit. Very important. That did look quite tasty. On this stuff. Add it to my coffee. There's even a picture of all the bits there. So, oh yeah, this will be the main bit, which does the actual test. Wash your hands, done that, dry them, yep. Plenty of space. Take the testing stick out of its foil wrapper and arrange the pieces on the table. Right, what have we got here? Ooh, more bits. So we've got a bit of silica gel there to keep everything dry. We've got this mysterious thing. It's a pipette that you can use if you want, but you don't have to. Ah, yeah, it's a squeezy pipette, which I guess that could suck up the blood. Ooh, I don't want to suck up that much. That's quite a lot of blood to be taking out. Maybe a bit excessive. That here is the thing. COVID19. I wonder if I can keep that as a souvenir. I could wear it around the neck because that'd be cool. Timer or clock not included. But my phone will do timing for me, I think. So that's alright. Yeah, good. So I've got that. Okay, wash your hands. Testing stick has a blue line next to C, which is normal. Yep, blue line next to C. Okay, whatever C means. Right, this is going to be the blood bit. Hold the yellow lancet and twist the cap one full turn to unlock. Then pull the cap till you feel it separate from the device. Twist the cap. So, yeah. Have I done this right? Oh, there we go, that's separated from the... Yep, so that's the cap off. Yeah, right. So, I'm going to use a bit of my little finger, because I type and I play keyboard and instruments and things, and I figure that... Ooh, maybe I should use the other hand, because I play violin sometimes as well. That could be painful. Oh well, let's just do it. Choose a spot, flashy part, side of a finger, wipe the area with an alcohol wipe. So that's this one. Don't like all this throwaway stuff really, but, well, it's not the most environmental of things. That's the trouble with COVID-19, it stops everyone flying and driving around as much as they used to, but instead we just produce loads of plastic throwaway stuff like this, and all the PPE and things, so it hasn't really helped the environment at all. Sometimes I wonder if it's got like a kind of Gaian Mother Nature thing, trying to stop humans overpopulating the planet so much, but I think Mother Nature needs to think again about a different approach. Okay, choose a spot, wipe it with alcohol, done that. To draw blood, press the uncapped end, that's this end, against the finger, and press until you feel a click. I don't want to do this. Do not tamper with the light. Okay, just got to see what I'm going to do next. Squeeze blood from the finger, put it on this thing. Okay, yeah, let's do it then. Right. That didn't really hurt very much. Oh, there's some blood. Superb. Oh, right. Okay. That actually didn't hurt at all, hardly. I was expecting it to hurt properly. Right, squeeze blood, and I've got to squeeze on this little spot here. Okay, there's the blood. Get out. Can I get enough blood? Get on there, you. Ooh, there's some proper blood. Okay. I was going to lick my finger there, it wouldn't look good with it. Let's use this alcohol thing to wipe it off. I'm going to save the cotton wool till later for something else. I don't know what. Right, excellent. More blood's coming out now. Ugh. Blood. Right, testing stick on the table. I was going to warn people to look away when the blood was coming out. Make sure the blood covers the bottom of the thing. Yeah, I've done that. If you don't get enough blood, repeat the prick. Oh, there's blood on this. Ugh, blood everywhere. With a different finger. I guess the pipette would let me suck up some blood if I wanted to. Okay, remove the cap from the buffer liquid. Add 2 drops to the circular well. Ah, no, I've put the sample in the wrong place. Oh no, that was a mistake. This probably isn't going to work now because I put the blood in the wrong place, but you never know, it might do. What a disaster. Okay. There we go. What a disaster. Put the blood in the wrong place. Okay, so I've got this, remove the stopper, add 2 drops to the circular well where I've already put blood, which I shouldn't have done. Okay, 1 drop, and 2 drops. No idea what this is going to do now. Ooh, you probably can't see this on camera, but things are starting to soak up the this little window here. I can see liquid soaking up. It could be that it works when there's blood in both places, or it might be that it doesn't. I don't know the science enough. Right, now I need to wait for 10 minutes and no longer than 15 minutes. So I'm going to put my timer on and I will move these cameras so you can see the test taking place. And I'll see you again in 10 minutes. I'm back and the results are in. I was going to give you an exciting time-lapse shot of the various lines appearing on the on this test stick, but unfortunately no lines appeared. It's negative. So apparently I've either not had COVID at all, or I have had COVID and no longer have any antibodies, or more likely I've totally messed up this test by putting blood in the wrong place. So, not really sure which of the answers that is. What I need to do now is take a picture of it on this special colour charts thing. So I'll do that like now. That's a bit better. Cool. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Hope that was interesting. It's probably not my most interesting video ever. If you want to get involved in a COVID test, it's interesting, and taking a blood sample with these little gadgets doesn't hurt as much as I thought, so it's worth considering. Okay, see you next time.